Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Sister Wives Show. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before starting the video, please subscribe and keep watching for more detailed videos. Kody Brown from Sister Wives has recently been thrust into a storm of tension and legal disputes, not only with his former wife Christine, but also involving estrangement from some of his children. The complexities of the Brown family have been a major focus on the show for years. But this recent shift introduces an entirely new level of personal struggle and turmoil. The announcement of a court date between Kody and Christine is a significant turn in the ongoing saga. What's unfolding now is unlike anything we've seen from the Brown family before, as private issues are pulled into the public eye in a very real way. When Christine announced her separation from Kody, fans were shocked but not necessarily surprised. Over the years, viewers have seen cracks in their relationship, especially as Christine began to question the dynamics within the plural marriage and her own needs and happiness. After years of subtle and not-so-subtle tension, Christine made the decision to leave, seeking independence and happiness on her own terms. Yet, even with that choice, it's clear that her departure hasn't been easy. The legal battle we're now seeing isn't just about one former spouse versus another. It's also impacting Christine's relationship with Kody and the family as a whole. The announcement of a court date brings a lot of questions. What exactly will be discussed in court? And what are Christine and Kody hoping to achieve? Given their shared history, this legal confrontation could address a range of issues, from financial disagreements to custody and visitation rights, and possibly unresolved family disputes. For Christine, this isn't just about ending a marriage. It's about reclaiming her life and future. But with Kody, we see a man trying to grapple with the shifts in his world, fighting to maintain control in a situation that's spiraling beyond his reach. Kody has become a controversial figure, often perceived as the villain in this unfolding narrative. His relationship with each wife has had its ups and downs, but with Christine's departure, we've witnessed a side of him that has been criticized for being controlling and somewhat detached from the realities of his family's needs. His dynamic with Christine seemed especially strained. And now that she's taken legal steps, Kody's reaction has become a major focus for fans. The court date means that both parties will have to lay their grievances bare, something that could lead to uncomfortable revelations for both Kody and Christine. Kody's role in the family has always been complex. As the patriarch in a plural marriage, he was tasked with balancing the needs and concerns of multiple wives and children. Yet, in recent years, he's faced significant criticism from both fans and family members. His decisions and behavior, especially during Christine's departure, have led some of his children to become estranged from him, a development that has added to the family's emotional strain. The news of a court date could mean that Christine is not only looking to settle unresolved issues, but also establish clear boundaries and protections for herself and her children. This legal showdown has also highlighted the strained relationship between Kody and his children, particularly with those who are closest to Christine. The decision to leave Kody wasn't easy for Christine, but it was something she felt was necessary not only for her happiness, but for her children's well-being. Watching their mother struggle within a marriage where she felt undervalued and unhappy was difficult for her children, who have expressed mixed feelings toward Kody's handling of family matters. Now, with Christine's legal battle and Kody's strained relationships with his children, there's an undeniable rift in the Brown family that goes beyond just marital issues. One of the more painful aspects of this situation is the growing distance between Kody and his children. For a man who has often spoken about the importance of family unity, that estrangement from his kids must be especially difficult. Yet, many fans believe that this outcome is a result of years of frustration, unmet needs, and emotional distance on Kody's part. The legal battle between Kody and Christine has likely deepened these feelings, making it harder for Kody to reconnect with his children. This isn't just a marital dispute anymore. It's a family-wide crisis that's impacting everyone involved. In a plural family, the role of a father is pivotal, especially when the family spans multiple households. But Kody's recent actions have left some of his children, in particular, have witnessed their mother's emotional journey and her decision to leave, which has only increased the tension between them and Kody. For Christine, this legal battle represents a final step in asserting her independence, and it seems that her children support her decision, understanding her reasons and seeing her need for personal freedom. As Kody and Christine prepare to face each other in court, the emotional weight of their family struggles will undoubtedly affect the outcome. The court date is an indication that Christine is ready to put an end to lingering issues and take control of her life. For Kody, this means facing the reality that he no longer has the same influence or authority in Christine's life. But the consequences extend beyond their individual relationship, as it's also a test of the Brown family's resilience. The upcoming court proceedings could reveal even more about the inner workings of the family, possibly exposing hidden tensions and unresolved issues that have been festering for years. Christine's departure from the marriage has empowered her to stand up for herself in ways that she might not have been able to before. This court date is a testament to her strength and determination to move forward. She's no longer willing to remain in the background or let others dictate her life. Instead, she's taking decisive steps to ensure that her future, and the future of her children, is secure and free from past burdens. For Christine, this legal battle may be her way of making a final statement about her worth and autonomy. For Kody, the court date might be a wake-up call. Losing Christine was already a major blow, but now, seeing her assert herself legally could drive home the reality of her departure in a way he may not have fully processed. This isn't just about losing a wife, it's about coming to terms with his own choices and their impact on his family. Kody has often been seen as the figurehead of the Brown family, the one responsible for maintaining harmony. But now, as he confronts Christine in court, he may have to reckon with the fact that his approach to family life hasn't worked for everyone. The court date could bring up financial matters, especially given the unique dynamics of a plural family. With Christine now living independently, the question of financial support, assets, and property could be central to the case. Christine may want a clear and fair division, while Kody could be fighting to retain what he sees as his contribution to the family. This isn't just a financial dispute, it's a symbolic separation of lives that were once deeply intertwined. Both Christine and Kody likely have strong feelings about this issue, and the outcome could set a precedent for how plural marriages handle separations in the future. Family members may be called to testify or provide statements about the dynamics they've observed between Kody and Christine, which could add more layers to the case. The children's voices, especially those who have become estranged from Kody, may be significant in understanding the impact of their parents' relationship on their lives. The testimonies could provide a more complete picture of the family's challenges, possibly revealing details that haven't been shown on the series. If Kody's children speak out, it may be an emotional and possibly painful experience for everyone involved, shedding light on the long-term effects of their family structure. Christine's decision to go to court may also set an example for other women in plural marriages who feel trapped or undervalued. Her courage to stand up for herself could inspire others in similar situations, showing that it's possible to find independence and happiness outside the constraints of a relationship that no longer serves them. Christine's story is not just about leaving a marriage. It's about finding her voice, her strength, and her place in the world as an individual, separate from Kody and the complexities of plural marriage. As the court date approaches, fans are watching closely, eager to see what will unfold in this latest chapter of the Brown family's saga. The legal battle between Kody and Christine is likely to be a defining moment, not just for them, but for everyone in the family. The decisions made in court will have long-lasting repercussions, impacting relationships, financial stability, and the overall dynamic of the Brown family. For Kody, this may be a moment of reflection, a chance to understand the depth of the changes happening around him. For Christine, it's a step toward the future she envisions for herself and her children. Come back to our channel for all your updates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.